In this video, I will be showing you how to create a YouTube Kids profile. Let's get started. I start by opening my web browser, clicking on the search bar at the top, typing in YouTube Kids, and pressing enter on my keyboard. From the Google search results that appear, I move my cursor and click directly on the YouTube Kids link. Once the website loads, I click on the I'm a Parent button to begin setting up the account. On the welcome screen, I click next at the bottom to move to the age verification step. I click inside the text field asking for my birth year, type in 2002, and click the submit button below. A short video intro screen appears, so I click the next button on the lower right to keep going. On the account screen, I click the sign in button at the bottom right. A window pops up prompting me to choose an account, and I click on my primary Google account from the list. Next, the screen displays the parental consent and privacy details. I scroll all the way down through the consent document to review the information. Once I reach the bottom, I click the next button. I am then prompted to enter my password, so I click on the password input box, type in my Google password, and click the next button. Now we reach the profile creation screen. I click on the kid's first name box and type in Jose. Next, I click on the age field and type in 4. Then, I click on the birth month drop-down menu, scroll down the list, and click on July. With all 3 fields completed, I click the next button at the bottom right corner. On the content settings page, I select preschool for children aged 4 and under. A detailed summary of the preschool setting pops up, and I click the select button to confirm. Next, I am asked whether to turn the search feature on or off. I click on Turn Search Off to ensure a controlled browsing experience. The screen now confirms that the profile has been created, so I click Next. On the Parent Featured Tour slide, I click the Done button at the bottom. The final setup screen appears confirming the app is ready, and I click Let's Go to enter YouTube Kids. Now that we are on the YouTube Kids home screen, I want to verify the settings. I move my cursor to the top right corner and click on the lock icon. A parent security math problem pops up. I click on the input box, type in the answer 56, and click Submit. Inside the Parent Settings menu, I can see my connected Google account as well as the newly created profile listed under my kids. To return to the main interface, I click the back arrow icon at the top left corner of the screen, click OK on the pop-up asking to leave the page, and we are brought back to the YouTube Kids homepage, fully configured and ready to use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.